Understanding how money flows in and out of your life is the first step to managing your personal finances. It all starts with two basic things: income and expenses. Income is the money you earn. It can come from different sources. For most people, income comes from a job, business, or freelancing. But income can also come from other places like rent from property, interest from savings, or money from investments. No matter the source, income is the money that comes into your pocket. Now let's talk about expenses. Expenses are the money you spend. This includes your basic needs like food, rent, electricity, internet, and transport. It also includes things like shopping, entertainment, or subscriptions. Some expenses are fixed, like rent. You pay the same every month. Others are variable, like groceries or fuel. They change month to month. When you understand your income and expenses clearly, you can plan better. You can see if you are spending more than you earn or if you are saving money each month. Let's take a simple example. Imagine you earn $2,000 every month. You spend $800 on rent, $300 on food, $100 on transport, $100 on bills, and $200 on other things. That adds up to $2,500. That means you have $500 left. That is your savings or extra money. But if your expenses are higher than your income, like if you spend $2,200 every month but only earn $2,000, then you are in trouble. You may start borrowing money or using credit, which can lead to debt. That's why tracking income and expenses is very important. You can use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or an app. Write down every income and every expense. At the end of the month, see where your money is going. You might be surprised at how small things add up, like daily coffee or weekend food delivery. Understanding your income and expenses helps you control your money instead of letting money control you. It helps you plan for the future, reduce stress, and reach your financial goals. Start today. Know your numbers and take the first step toward financial freedom. Saving and investing money doesn't have to be complicated. With automation, you can make your financial goals easier to reach without thinking about them every day. In this video, we'll show you how to set up automatic savings and investments step by step. Start by setting a clear goal. Decide what you're saving for. It could be an emergency fund, a vacation, a down payment, or long-term investments. Knowing your goal will help you stay motivated and choose the right account. Next, choose the right bank or financial platform. Look for one that supports automatic transfers. Most banks today allow you to set recurring transfers between accounts. If you're investing, choose a platform that lets you automate contributions to mutual funds, ETFs, or robo-advisors. Now figure out how much you can afford to save or invest. Review your monthly income and expenses. Even a small amount like $10 or $50 a week can grow over time. It's better to start small than not start at all. Once you know your amount, set up automatic transfers. For savings, link your checking account to a savings account. Set a fixed date every week or month when money will move automatically. You can do this through your bank's mobile app or website. For investments, log into your investment platform and schedule automatic contributions. You can usually select the amount, the investment option, and how often you want to invest. Some platforms even let you round up your purchases and invest the spare change. Set your transfers on payday or a day after. This ensures you save or invest before you spend. It's a simple trick to make sure you always pay yourself first. Keep track of your progress. Check your account statements every month. You don't need to make changes often, but it helps to see how your money is growing. Lastly, increase your contributions over time. If your income grows or you pay off a debt, consider boosting your automatic transfers. Small increases can make a big difference over years. Automatic savings and investments work in the background, helping you build wealth with less effort. Set it once and let your money grow on autopilot.